Hi and welcome to a new video. Artificial intelligence is rapidly becoming a part of our daily lives, and Snapchat is no exception. They have introduced their own AI chatbot called My AI. It is powered by OpenAI's GPT, the same tech that is being integrated into Microsoft's Bing search engine and ChatGPT. In this video, we'll check if Snapchat is safe or dangerous, whether it poses any risks or potential dangers, including concerns about hacking. Furthermore, we will explore user reviews to gather valuable insights from their personal experiences. Let's go! In a chat conversation with My AI, this chatbot can answer a wide array of questions, like calculating a basic math problem. Feeling a little down? My AI can give you some advice to get back your ex. Or it can also suggest weird food combinations. These are just a few examples of how AI can be used to enhance Snapchat and bring positive impact to its users. The potential for AI integration is vast, and it will continue to evolve. However, not everyone is thrilled by My AI, especially because you cannot turn it off and there are numerous tweets accusing the chatbot of lying about tracking their location. One user tweeted that Snapchat AI is creepy. The chatbot revealed the user's location and suggested enabling ghost mode to stop it. However, when the user said ghost mode was already on, the chatbot denied having access to their location, implying that it was a misunderstanding. Another user pointed out that the chatbot, despite knowing the closest McDonald's to them, claimed to not know their location. In another tweet, the bot initially said that it can recommend restaurants based on your IP location. It later backtracks and denies that it has access to such information. In conclusion, when in ghost mode, your location is invisible to other users. But My AI has access to your location if you've previously granted it in the Snapchat app. If you really don't want the app to access your location, you can deny the access to GPS location in the settings for Snapchat. To do that, go to Settings and tap on Privacy and Security. Then select Location Services, then find Snapchat and tap Never. Beside these concerns, Snapchat also admitted last February, in parallel with other AI-powered chatbots, My AI is prone to hallucination and can be tricked into saying just about anything, and the company asks for forgiveness ahead regarding any potential negative incidents that may occur. With all these distress that happen, to the question, if Snapchat's My AI is dangerous or not, the short answer is no. However, all these incidents do sound creepy. Your data is only used for your purposes, and no one other than Snapchat has access to your data. So there is definitely no person on the other end manipulating something, and everything is computer generated. And that's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.